Hey, my lovely friends! You won't believe how fast and easy I made this luxury reindeer using super simple materials you probably already have at home. So let's jump right in and see how it's done. First, I draw the reindeer shape on a firm piece of cardboard and cut it out. Now it's time for hot glue. Here is an important tip. Try to place the glue drops with a little space between them so they don't merge into one flat surface. After they dry, go back and fill in the empty areas to get that rich textured look. For the base, I'm using 2 pieces of foam to hold each reindeer upright. By the way, if you want to wrap gifts in a unique and classy way for Christmas or any special occasion, I've got a full video showing 10 easy and beautiful gift wrapping ideas for every member of the family. Don't miss that one. For the antlers, I'm using glitter foam. You can stick it down with any clear glue or whatever adhesive you have at home. For the nose, I first tried a red pearl. But then I changed my mind and switched it to a white one. Now, I'm not sure. I think the red was pretty cute too. Tell me in the comments, team red nose or team white nose? And here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. If you want more easy, creative, and classy DIYs like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next cozy craft. See you in the next one!